My name is Chikako Watanabe. I'm an artist from Japan, but I'm living in Amsterdam. I was invited the first artist in residence in Grafisch Atelier Den Bosch. For me, it's very interesting to learn technique and then integrate it to my work. I study about this neighborhood, then I sort of make a different layer of print of the history till now. Found out this river is quite important to make a city, Den Bosch. So I took a map, old map, to trace the river and also the city and compare somehow how changed the water line and also residential area. So for this opportunity, I could meet people from Minitopia, and then I want to make exhibition in Minitopia. It was former garbage place. My Minitopia's exhibition is from middle of July till end of August.